Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install an ad blocker for Safari on your iPhone. This is a super easy guide, so let's get started. First things first, we need to add an ad block extension to Safari. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down towards the bottom until you find a list of your apps. Click into it. Now, scroll down the list of apps again until you find Safari. Tap on Safari to open its settings. Here you'll find all sorts of Safari settings. To install an extension, scroll down slightly until you see the Extensions tab and tap on it. You might already see a list of extensions here. These are likely extensions you've already installed and are shared across your devices like your Mac or iPad. To install a new extension, tap on More Extensions. This will take you directly to the Safari Extension section inside the App Store. Here you can browse all the available extensions, but for this tutorial, we're going to search for a specific one. Tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type AdGuard. It should be the top result. Tap on it to open the AdGuard page. Scroll down to read more about it. You can confirm it's a Safari extension under the Support section. It will specifically say Safari extension. OK, to install it, scroll all the way back to the top and tap the Get button. It will begin downloading to your device. In my case, it shows a cloud icon because I've installed it before. Once the extension has finished downloading, you can exit the App Store. Now we need to enable the extension for Safari. Go back to your system settings and return to the extensions page we were just at. You should now see AdGuard added to the list. Now, enable each AdGuard extension one by one. Tap on the AdGuard extension, then tap Allow Extension. You can also choose to allow in private browsing if you want. Repeat this process for all the AdGuard extensions listed. Once you've enabled all of them, AdGuard is active in your Safari web browser. Exit out of the system settings. The next time you open Safari and visit a website that usually has ads, you should see that they're gone. If you want to access the AdGuard extension settings, simply open the AdGuard application that was downloaded along with the extension. From here, you can customize the extension to your preferences. And that's it. That's how you install an ad blocker to Safari on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks from Rome Tech. Thanks for watching.